Tirtharaj asks if investing abroad is a good option considering events such as Brexit and the Trump victory.
Yes, that definitely is a risk. But so far for Indian investors, because in a sustained way, the Indian currency has only lost ground against dollar uh, over the last 30-40 years. As a kid, I remember that we had I recall in my teenage years that dollar was worth uh, 8 rupees, and see where we have come, getting close to 80, or about 70. So looking at this in itself creates an opportunity for India. Yes, Brexit, and of course the market has become more vulnerable to any such event. And I don't know what is in store for us. But the very rationale for investing in equity is that we will progress and do well, and businesses will become bigger. To an extent, the whole trend that we see in the last 2-3 years, the Brexit or Trump victory, is definitely a pointer to decelerating globalization, because this is actually uh, a reversal of globalization or being talked about in a certain way. But I still feel that this is too strong a way to be withstood by the economic logic for all that has happened. The globalization is too strong to be just to be dealt with by an emotional appeal, or of course it will strike a chord with the voters, it will strike a chord with the citizenry. But I think the economic logic will prevail, and this trend is unlikely to be reversed permanently. So yes, there are risks, but anyway, when you invest in equity, you really should be prepared uh, to assume these risks, and make sure that these risks are not of a kind which will impair your portfolio permanently. And I think that even Brexit is not something. Yes, it did hurt your investment if you were invested in the European fund, but I feel that it is not going to be of a permanent kind. Yes, it will have an impact. It can decelerate some of this, and that is why you should be investing in a fund or a stock, or the stock which are spread over the global markets.